I'm going to show you 5 easy breakfast ideas for busy people. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. Number 5, eggs, kale, and avocado. This option can be prepared in 5 minutes or less. Turn on the stove and throw a handful of kale or any other vegetable and a couple of whole eggs into a frying pan with olive oil or avocado oil. Add half an avocado and a small amount of salsa, and you have a breakfast of champions. This is full of omega-3 fatty acids as well as high-quality protein. Eggs are a great breakfast item because of their extreme versatility. Number 4, overnight oats with berries. Overnight oats are a great way to consume more whole grains while getting the additional benefit of nuts and berries all in one. Don't use instant oats. Get rolled or steel-cut oats. Add some berries and other hearty ingredients such as chia seeds and almond butter for an awesome. Number 3, yogurt parfait with seeds and berries. Greek yogurt has twice the amount of protein as regular yogurt and also has a ton of other nutrients. To derive the most benefit by plain Greek yogurt, please stop buying yogurts with fruit on the bottom. These are loaded with sugar. You might as well drink a cup of syrup for breakfast. Instead, add your own fruit in the form of berries and some healthy fats in the form of pumpkin seeds. If you want some carbohydrates, then sprinkle in a little granola. Number 2, breakfast smoothie. Breakfast smoothies are by far the most efficient way to get a good deal of calories, macros, and other micronutrients in the morning. You can prepare a breakfast smoothie in 5 minutes or less. You can make smoothies a week in advance and place them in Ziploc bags, then throw them in the freezer so that you can have them ready to go. Each smoothie contains a handful of veggies, 1 or 2 pieces of fruit, and something that contains healthy fats such as coconut oil or almond butter. Number 1, protein shake. This is the least desirable but the easiest option of the 5. It relies on supplement rather than eating whole foods. Ensure that the protein powder is from a reputable company. Use water or almond milk, a scoop of whey protein, a tablespoon of healthy fats such as avocado oil or peanut butter, and add a bunch of other ingredients to increase the nutrient content such as oats, chia seeds, bananas, berries, etc. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to discover 5 foods that help you feel fuller longer. That's it, that's all. See you next time.